This is Beldine Fincher. I'm the author of Coming Apart, The Layman's Guide to Divorce. One of the questions that's frequently asked about divorce is, who will decide the various issues of my divorce? When the parties to a divorce feel like they have resolved as many of the issues between the two of them that they can, or between themselves and their attorneys, then they request a final hearing in front of the judge. There are two ways that these final issues are resolved. First of all, a bench trial. And a bench trial is where the attorneys present their evidence and any arguments simply to the judge, and the judge makes the final determination on those unresolved issues. The other option is a jury trial. A jury trial can be requested at any time so that the attorneys plead their client cases to a jury of their peers. Typically, this is asked for at the time of the original complaint, but the request for a jury trial can be dismissed at any time. This is often used for strategic purposes. For example, my ex-husband had requested a jury trial at the time of responding to the complaint for the divorce. After more than a dozen times in court for one reason or another, including many delay tactics, we were finally on the jury trial calendar. It had only taken 3.5 years. The evening before our jury trial was to take place, my attorney received a telephone call from his attorney stating that they had dropped the jury trial request. The effect of this would have been that we would have been needing to come back on the bench trial calendar, and we could have had an additional delay of up to a couple of months. As it was, my attorney appealed to the court and stated the history of our divorce, and we were granted an immediate bench trial within 2 days of the original date of the jury trial calendar, and we finally came to a conclusion of the divorce. In a jury trial, the jury hears all of the issues of the case that there are still decisions to be made. If there are agreements between the couple, those issues are not heard by the jury trial. After all of the testimony, the judge will instruct the jury as to which laws are applicable in this particular case and the laws that the jury needs to consider when considering all of the issues. The jury then will be sequestered into a space where they spend time looking at all of the issues, discussing all of the issues, and coming to a resolution among themselves as to the issues of the divorce. In Georgia, as in many other states, there are certain items that are not decided by a jury, but are retained as a decision by the judge. This includes child custody and sometimes child support and visitation. I have prepared for you a series of approximately 20 videos that address many of the most common questions that arise in divorce. I encourage you to visit my website at www.thelaymansguidetodivorce to receive all of those videos. Thank you.